Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a quick video together for a repair on this Peugeot 2008, 2015 model. Basically there's no heater blower on it, it's not working on any speed at all. Now on this model, obviously the glove box is out at the minute, the heater blower just sits in the back there, the resistor pack's below it. They've tested both of them items, they're both perfectly okay. The fault on this one's relating to this connector block down here. There's normally just a little panel there, really easy to get out, just a little torque screw, you can get the panel out of the way. But if you've got this issue, basically if you look at your connector block, it normally clips into there. Before you take it out, you can just see, looking at the wiring, it's normally quite obvious when it's been a bit warm and burnt up. If you disconnect the plug, you can just see on there where it's sort of melted on the block connector and in there as well. It's quite a straightforward fix. Now if you put your blowers on and you get hold of the connector and just sort of wiggle it a little bit, you might find, just to test it, that you'll get your blower come on and off. But all we're going to do to fix it is just simply hardwire the wires together and just do away with the connector block. But I just thought I'd put the video together, hopefully it helps someone in the same situation. If you've got this issue and it's not your blower or your resistor, it's well worth just checking this bit of wiring behind that panel there. But yeah, I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.